èèyàn mi eléyìí tún lágbára o. Fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín tún lágbára díẹ̀ o. Káwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ máa jìyà mẹ́sàmárẹ́ lómi wọn ni wọ́n mọ́mọ́ ṣe kówó jáde kúrò nínú àkáǹtì àwọn. Ẹgbẹ́ àlàyé tí ẹni yìí sọ sim card tó bá ti rí sim card tó dẹ̀ ti mà ká nọ́mbà yín wà ló máa gbowó jáde. Eléyìí sọ wínrínwínrín eléyìí ti dá gbòòrò rú o. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń jìyà kí ló dé pé èèyàn máa ń dájú ná. Ẹ̀yin kan máa wà níbì kan àwọn kan máa jìyà wọ́n máa sunkún wọ́n máa sọ́fà sọ́lọ́rin wọ́n máa ti ṣẹ́ bí aago. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀nà owó ọ̀nà olè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa jiyàn gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa kidnap bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa rọ́ọ̀bù lẹ́yìn kan máa wáká. Ẹni tó bá nírú yín á lóun ti rí èèyàn tán ẹni bá rírú eléyìí nìsín á léèyàn tó kù ni wọ́n tó jẹ́ pé èyí tẹ́ ẹ bá jẹ́ǹtù lójú yẹn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa ń dàbí pé ẹ máa voice yín á lọlẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń change voice tẹ́ bá ti dẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ máa raise voice yín bọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti dójú èèyàn oyin á lọlẹ̀ ojú yín á tutù kí ló dé pé yìí gan lẹ̀ sónú jù ẹ wo eléyìí bó ṣe rí ẹ wo ojú ẹ bó ṣe rí ẹ wo bó ṣe cool lójú ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ní mọ̀ pé ọ̀daràn ayé àtọ̀run ni wọ́n ò má jẹ́ rojọ́ jù bá mi wo fídíò yìí àǹtí mi ọmọ àǹtí mi ẹ pín kẹ̀sì sọ́ra yín kẹ̀ wà kẹ́fù ará àdúgbò kéré o ẹ wà kẹ́fù pẹ̀lú àwọn owó àti gbogbo àkáǹtì nọ́mbà yín ìfù nọ́mbà yín pẹ̀lú ẹ sọ́ra kọ́mọ̀dé pé wọ́n wọ̀ owó yín lọ.
I was arrested last month in Mabushi here in Abuja. I used to reset any SIM that has alert, bank alert. I will reset it and remove the money inside. We use new SIMs and old SIMs.
You reset it and do what?
I remove the money that is in your bank account.
And steal the money that is in the bank account. Say it properly.
And steal the money that is in your bank account. I reset it with your account number. We check it through bank codes from the first to the last. If we get any bank that we get, then you use the SIM to buy the charge card. From there, they will send you the alert. Then from the alert, you will now get the account number. Then
which of the banks have the weakest link? Which of the banks or do you specialize more?
First Bank and Access Bank.
Which banks are your favorite banks?
First Bank and Access Bank.
Why are they your favorites?
They are easy to reset it, sir.
They are easy to reset?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been doing this business?
It's last 2 years, sir.
How many people are working for you?
I have 3 guys now here. We are still checking.
Apart from you know them. Apart from the 3 that were arrested here,
yeah,
and are with you here, how many other persons are working with you?
I have almost 11.
In how many states or the federation are you operating?
Kano and Plateau State.
Kano, Plateau. What of Abuja?
And Abuja.
What of Lagos?
No, sir.
So you specialize in, mention them again.
Kano, Plateau, Abuja.
What is the biggest money you have stolen from an account?
It's 800,000 from account.
How many accounts? Can you still remember the number of accounts you have stolen from?
There are many, sir.
You can count them?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is Yahaya Zakari, also known as His Excellency. I really don't know why his AKA is His Excellency, but his name is Yahaya Zakari. He is 46 years old. Yahaya Zakari controls multiple gang of cyber crooks whose stock in trade is to attack, whose stock in trade is to go after SIM cards, phone numbers of innocent Nigerians, break into their privacy, steal their bank IDs, and steal money from their account. They have two main modus operandi. The first is to go and purchase or acquire MTN lines, the new starter kits, in large numbers. And when they get these, they try to activate them. Experience has shown them that at this stage, some of our service providers are recycling old numbers. Persons who have used their phones and for some reasons probably have traveled out of the country, or for any other reason choose not to use the number again, and those numbers are dormant and are currently being recycled and reissued to persons as new numbers. They are very skilled, they are very skillful, and they have ways of knowing or decoding old numbers. So when they put on their starter packs, their MTN SIM start packs, and they are giving options to select numbers, they select old numbers. And at random, they try to explore and see if they can get bank details from those old numbers. That's their first modus. The second, which is very dangerous and where they sometimes hurt innocent citizens both physically and financially, is through deploying gangs that attack innocent citizens, forcefully snatch their phones, or sometimes get these phones stolen via pickpocketing. And once they get these phones, their target is not the phone. No matter how expensive your phone is, they are not interested in that phone. That is not the main target. That could actually be a byproduct or a side benefit from the crime, but the major target is your SIM card. And once they get your SIM card, they try to play around with it and see if they can find anything that can link them or take them straight into your account. And they've done this successfully. And with that, again, once they get access into your bank details, when they get access to your bank details, they go straight to steal your money. The lesson for all of us here is the fact that you must guard your phone jealously. And even when you lose a phone or a number and you think for some reasons because you've got 2 or 3 other numbers or 2 or 3 other lines, don't just let your number fly into strange hands. Go back to your service providers, do whatever is necessary to reclaim your lines and reactivate your lines, and avoid letting your phone lines fall into wrong hands. Again, as soon as your phone is stolen from you, get across to your bank, especially if you're someone that does online banking. The first thing you do will be to get across to your bank and get them to take necessary action, proactive action, to ensure that these cyber crooks don't use your phone as a tool to accessing your account and stealing your money.